Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty making from Naio Nails. In this video, we are going to show you what Andrea's nails look like after she fell top to bottom down the stairs.
Oh, you nasty, nasty piece of work.
So, Andrea's fell down the stairs and she's got a bit of a poolie here, but she's actually not broken any bones but broken nails.
Which is just as bad, really, isn't it?
Worse. No, it's not worse. It's not worse.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I've got bruises, haven't you?
I've got bruises.
And they're like burger bruises, I like to call them, because they look like a burger. They're like a burger. When we skate, if we fall, which happens a lot, you get like a burger bruise. We call them like a burger bruise because they just look like a big fat burger, don't they? You know what I mean?
Yes,
though,
I know
don't
what you
you?
mean. Yes,
she has got these big burger bruises. They're like proper nasty bruises.
Yes,
You're very lucky not to have broken limbs.
Yes.
You're very unfortunate to have broken nails.
Yes.
Yeah. So there was only 2 nails broken, but obviously Andrea couldn't cope with that mentally, having 2 nails broken. So she cut the other ones down. So
Badly.
they look lovely. I saw her on Wednesday, and they still looked amazing. And then now
They don't.
they look horrendous. So we're going to make these look a lot nicer than they look right now. We're going to remove them, and I want to check how much damage, especially with this thumb, we have. I may have to just e-file that one off and not soak it because obviously we have a fresh scab there. So we need to be extra gentle today.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Try my best.
Yeah, you're going to look after me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we need to take stones off. So we've got stones we need to clip off. So I've got some old nippers. I can start to take them off. Tell me at any time if I hurt you.
I will.
Does that include hurting the cameras? Because I think that might just
I
hit the
don't want
cameras.
them in my tea.
Sorry. Be like that. And you drink your tea.
Stone. I've had a stone.
These nails were so beautiful.
I know. Tell me about it.
These were nails that I did for Andrea because she missed out because of all the snow. So we got your set on, didn't we?
Yes.
At home. Did them at home. I think I did do a TikTok with them. Because yeah, I'm on TikTok now. So down with the kids. So down with the kids. You got a TikTok, Adam?
I don't put anything on it, but I'm actually a bit obsessed with TikTok.
Isn't it? Oh, it's like totally falling down the rabbit hole.
Yeah.
Hours later, you're still watching TikTok.
Really?
Yeah. There's just some funny things. A lot of it that I get annoyed, like, a lot of it's just young girls who shake their boobs around.
Yeah.
And it's like,
That's why, is that why you're watching it?
No, I skip past those ones.
Yeah.
Because I want to see people doing stupid stuff.
Yeah.
I love like the ones that the photography ones. They'll set something up really cool and you'll think that picture's going to be rubbish, then they show you the picture at the end and it's like, wow.
Yeah.
I love the dancing ones though.
Yeah.
Absolutely love the dance. My Cassidy is constantly on there. She knows all the dances. We could be in the car and a song will come on that there's a dance to, and Alicia even knows them. She might not post on her TikTok, but she knows all the dances, and they'll sit there. They'll be like doing all the dances.
Oh. Well, that bloke who was that TikTok you showed, that guy, and he said it was Cassidy.
Which one?
And he said, I hate that, and he's doing like the dances and then says, I hate this store. You posted it in it and you said, oh, this reminds me of Cassidy.
Oh yeah. It's walking round. So if you've got a child that has TikTok, you'll go to the shop. Anyway, you'll go wherever you go, no matter where you are. You could be round the house, walking anywhere, doing anything. They'll just start doing and they'll just and you're like, what are you doing?
But I could see Cassidy doing it.
Cassidy does do it. She just walks around doing these little... It's like she's just practicing it and then she'll go and do it.
She's got music in her head.
Music's in her. She's got head radio.
Yeah.
Head TikTok radio.
Head TikTok radio.
Yeah, love TikTok. So I have a debulk bit on. So this is the pulley. I want to get this one done and out the way first. I'm going to move across. Please tell me at any point if this hurts.
I'll kick you under the table.
I've got my legs crossed now. I'm moving across the nail because I want to reduce the amount of heat. If I just stay in one area and just keep going like this, I'm going to create friction and heat. And then Andrea will all of a sudden go, ah!
Yeah.
There is a slight crack, see there? Hairline crack.
Oh, yeah.
So that would have gone through your nail.
Yeah.
So you're lucky really that didn't go. So lucky. But unlucky falling downstairs. And very unlucky breaking nails.
Yes, definitely.
So I'm going to buzz these as low as I possibly can and then remove the rest with the acetone. Right, so I've got them down as far as I can go and I'm just going to go over to abrase this now. So I'm just abrasing the product. They look lovely.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Oh, they're just bloody delicious.
Might keep them like this.
Yeah, I think you should. And abrasing the product will help the acetone in the pads break down that little bit of acrylic. So we're going to use these are gel polish remove pads, but they will remove this acrylic because it's very thin. So we're taking it down super thin. So you're going to tear the top off. Open it up and peel off that. That's always very static and just never want to leave my hand. Pop that in and wrap it round. So I'm going to do that on all of them. Oh, this is the pulley one. Pulley, baby. So I've left that on for 10 minutes and then we're just going to softly scrape it off. How's it feeling?
Okay, doesn't feel sore.
Oh, that's good. 240 grit file this is, so it's quite soft. That makes better. Just want to file that bit of dry skin there, which you don't have a lot of actually normally.
No.
You're talking about you dropped your brother on his head.
Yeah.
My mum at my christening dropped me on my head.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it explains a lot.
It does.
What, in the church?
In the church.
Not in the font?
Not in the font, no. Just like, you know, it was higher than that. I fell to the floor, you know.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Were you okay?
Was I okay? Well, you tell me. Yeah, but, well, I think I've survived.
Yeah. Might have triggered your creative side.
Triggered something. So I'm going to do some prep on the cuticles. I'm trying not to do too much because Andrea's skin is super sensitive around her fingers. So we do have a video just dedicated to cuticle prep with a electric file, don't we, Adam?
Mm-hmm.
And we'll link that below if you want to see this done in a more greater detail. Right, so we're going to finish with a bit of cuticle oil just to replenish some oils in the nails and skin. I like to do that before I move on to anything else. And I know you lot are thinking, oh, she's putting oil on. but then you've got to get rid of that to do the next bit. I will. Don't you worry. Let's have a look at you. Oh, it's beautiful. And your scab's still intact.
Yeah.
Still
And
healing.
it didn't hurt.
That's brilliant. Didn't it? Did it falling down the stairs over
It smarted a bit, yeah.
with you?
Yeah.
Bigger bruises.
Yeah.
There you are, guys. That's all about Andrea and her accidental fall and breaking of the nails. And we managed to save your beautiful natural nails. But in the next video, we're going to do some gorgeous nails for her. So keep watching. Bye-bye.